Hi, this is the Door and Signal channel. What we're going to do is we have this remote here that the buttons aren't quite working as well as they once were. So I'm going to take it apart. This might work for your remote control here, but we're going to show you how to clean this and add a piece here that might make it work better. So let's get started. First, you want to get some kind of narrow tool. This is just a nail clipper, but it has this little file on the end. I'm going to go here. If you look on the edge, there's a little tiny gap on the one side of it. You can just pop that in there and then pop it open. Just kind of like that. Go around the edge. Get the gasket and pop open, and there you are, you're in. So in the battery, you want to look to a lot of times with these GM ones, especially this model, where the solder tabs are here. There's one here, there's one here. They'll come loose just from the pressure on the battery. You might have to get a soldering iron and solder those back. The other thing is, you look at the front here, the camera might not pick this up too well, but there's a coating of smuts all over this here. And it's just, you know, basic wear and tear, oil, you know. You want to clean this up here. Then on the buttons inside here, these little black tabs. One here, one here, one here. They're carbon, and they basically, when they press the tabs here, that makes the connections, shorts it out, and you know, either opens the door, closes the door, or rings the horn. So we have some rubbing alcohol. 90% is probably the best. You can get that. Get one of the Q-tips here. Just start rubbing it and trying to get all that smuts off the main board here. So there's a little bit already. That'll focus. There it is. See a little bit? So you just want to get this, clean it off as best you can, you know. Keep turning the Q-tip to get the new piece of clean cotton on it. You also want to clean the circuit traces here too. You know, just get in there, clean it up well. See all the goo on that? Just cleaning that up. Clean this side up more. Don't drop it off the table.
revolutionary clothing litter that slides right out for easy cleaning because it doesn't stick to the litter box. No scraping, no
Alright, that looks pretty good to me. See if that'll focus. There it goes. Alright, we'll put the battery back in it and test it out outside. If it doesn't work right away, I'd maybe take it apart, try to clean it one more time, see if that works for you. But you really don't have to do too much on the other side, just basically the business side's this side. So. And here's the bonus clip. If cleaning the pads here doesn't work and it's still not working very well, get yourself some aluminum foil like this, some super glue, and on the pads put a tiny little drop, cut a little piece of aluminum foil in here, and then put it together. So we're going to do that real quick. Usually a good cleaning will make it work, but if these pads are a little bit more worn out, they're not going to work as well. Just hold it there for a couple minutes, a couple seconds, it'll dry on you. Alright, and just let that sit, dry, and then put it back together. See how it works. Thanks for watching.